Okay, what I want to do is to show you how this software works that is for customer reviews. It's some US software, so I do apologise that I'm going to have to show this for a US contractor, as we have got this now in the UK for the first time. So the demo I'm going to give you is for an electrical contractor in Atlanta. So I'm just going to type in electrician. Atlanta. Okay, so here's the first thing you can see. So these are all the paid listings at the top, and right at the top here of the organic listings, which is the natural ones, non-paid for, is a company called TEC Certified Electricians. If I just click on this link. Okay, so this is the company, TE Certified Electricians, and as you can see when we scroll down the page, here we see local reviews. So there's sort of what they call a heat map, and you can see they've got 592 customer reviews here, all around the sort of general Atlanta area. And then as you can scroll down, you can start to see these actual reviews and where the customer is actually based. So and these are live. It shows you here installed cans and lighting. Here's the overall experience, the quality, the price, and then it's also been shared and can be shared on Facebook. And this goes on, and these are tons and tons of live actual reviews that are shown on this customer site. So and this really helps, because this is why they are on page 1 of Google, and that is so important, because going back to this, the reviews mean that you straight away you get these little gold stars, and the more that you have, the higher Google relates to it, because every time you get a new review, then Google sees that as new fresh content, and obviously it likes new fresh content, so therefore it pumps you straight onto page 1 of Google. So again, going back to the site, and you can see when it finally loads. So this is the classic typical layout formats that we now start to see for all contractors. So it's the service areas, so it's all the sort of small towns, villages, etc. in the general area around Atlanta. We recommend the same thing applies in UK. Services, though, this details exactly what they provide, and again we recommend the same sort of thing happens. So you detail all the services, and you have individual pages for each of those. You can book the appointment straight off, etc. So this is really typical what you would expect to see from a contractor's website, and this is the same process that we advocate. So all the time there's new fresh content being added, and these reviews are absolutely vital to it. I can go into this heat map and obviously look at further detail, and then I can go into looking at all this detail here of these reviews. So that hopefully will explain a little further about this software that we have now got available to the UK, and strongly recommend you guys now take on board, because if you want to get found, then having reviews is absolutely vital. Thanks, cheers.